Hello friends, today we are to study factorization of polynomials, in which we will deal with the questions related to cube of binomials. We will use only two types of algebraic identities. First one is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, which is also equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We can see that 3a square b and 3ab square has been derived by expanding the last term 3ab into a plus b. And the second identity is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, which is also equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So we are going to deal with the questions now. First question is expand. We have to expand these three binomials by using this algebraic identity. First one, we can see it is very easy to understand that it is written here 3x plus 2 whole cube. So in the middle term we can see here it is 3x plus 2. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. We can expand it very easily by using this identity. See here the solution of question number 1 of 1. 3x plus 2 whole cube can be expanded by using the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to whatever it is written. So we will expand here. We can see in place of a we have 3x and in place of b we have 2. So we will try to expand this binomial by using this identity. If we expand, we get like this: 3x whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into ab, that means 3x into 2 into a plus b, means this whole binomial will be written as it is, that is 3x plus 2. Now we will simplify it. If you cube 3x, what will we get? Cubing 3 we will get 27, and cubing x we will get only x cubed, plus 2 cubed is equal to 8, plus these are in the multiplied form. So if you find out their product, it is equal to 3 3s are 9 2s are 18 x into 3x plus 2. Now it will remain as it is 27x cube plus 8 plus, now this will be multiplied, this monomial will be multiplied by each term of this binomial. So what do we get? 18 3s are 54, and x will give x square plus 18 2s are 36 and x. Now we have got the expanded form of the given binomial 3x plus 2 whole cube. We will write it in the standard form. We know that the standard form of a polynomial is in which we write the terms of the polynomial in the ascending powers of the variable or in the descending powers of the variable. So you can arrange in any one of these two ways. We will arrange like this: 27x cube, then plus 54x square, then plus 36x, then plus 8, and hence this is the final. Now we will solve question number 2, in which we have to expand 3a plus 1 by 4b whole cubed. See how to expand. We will use the same identity a plus b whole cubed. 3a plus 1 by 4b whole cubed. This is now equal to If we expand, we will get 3a whole cubed plus, in place of b we have 1 by 4b, so we will write 1 by 4b whole cubed plus 3 into a. In place of a we have 3a into b. In place of b we have 1 by 4b into a plus b. So the binomial will be written as it is, means 3a plus 1 by 4b. Now solving this, we get 3 cubed will give 27, a cubed will give a cubed, plus 1 cubed will give 1, and 4b whole cubed will give 64b cubed, plus 3 3s are 9a by 4b, and inside the bracket we have a binomial 3a plus 1 by 4b. Now these two terms will remain as it is, 27a cubed plus 1 by 64b cubed plus, now this binomial, you can see here it is very clear that this monomial will be multiplied by each term of this binomial, and multiplying we get 9a into 3a by 4b plus 9a into 1 by 4b into 4b. Now simplifying we will get 27a cubed plus 1 by 64b cubed plus 27a square by 4b plus 9a by 16b square. Now if we arrange these terms in the ascending powers of a, we will get this answer. In the descending powers of a, 27a cube plus 27a square by 4b, because here the power is 3, here the power is 2. Then 9a by 16b square plus 1 by 64b cube, and hence it is your answer. Now we will solve the question number 3, in which it is given that 1 plus 2 by 3a whole cubed. It is also a binomial, and we have to expand it by using the first identity a plus b whole cube. Let us now see it. So if we expand, we get here 1 cubed plus 2 by 3a whole cubed plus 3ab, means 3 into 1 into 2a by 3 into a plus b, means the whole binomial will be written here, 1 plus 2 by 3a. Now simplify this one. Cubing 1 we get 1, plus cubing 2 we get 8, cubing a we get a cubed, and cubing 3 we get 27, plus here we can see that 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, and we will be left with only 2a multiplied by 1 plus 2a by 3. Now this monomial will be multiplied by both of the terms of this binomial. So multiplying we get 1 plus, these two terms will remain as it is, means 1 plus 8a cube by 27, plus when 2a is multiplied by 1 we get only 2a, plus When we multiply 2a and 2a by 3, we get plus, plus will become plus by multiplying, and 2 twos of 4, a into a square by 3. Now we will arrange the terms of this polynomial in the descending powers of the variable a. So arranging, we get here, first it will be written 8a cube by 27 plus this is the power 3 here, and the power 2 is in this term, so we will write this term next, 4a square by 3, then plus 2a, and finally plus 1, and hence this is the required expandation. Thank you.